Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Success Nathaniel and this channel is SN Crypto World. Alright guys, this is Phenom platform. Okay, this site has been making wave online since the day of launch. So I made a video previously about this site. I got a message that I haven't talked about the withdrawal process. So right now I'll be making a live withdrawal from this site. Okay, so as you can see my balance here, I'm having 28,800. So the first thing first you have to do when you want to withdraw is to click on this arrow here. Once you click on this arrow, you'll be seeing all this okay, I think this is not the right place. Okay, for you to make a withdrawal, you see a withdrawal icon here. So just click on this box over here. Once you click on this box over here, you take you to where you will be able to withdraw. Okay, so right now I just click on it, and so once the withdrawal box open, click on this share wallet, put the amount you want to withdraw, and click on this icon right now that is rotating. You will see something here, just click on it, and it's processing. So let's wait for it to process. Okay, just give it time. Now I can see withdrawal successful. Okay, withdrawal success. So this is the amount I withdrew right now. So 28,800. Okay, so guys, let's wait for the withdrawal to reflect my bank. So I'll continue with the video. Okay, guys, throwing on my phone right now, I receive a lot of message. So I'm just going to show us the alerts right now that just dropped so far. So as you can see here, this is my GTB bank, and this alert just reviewed 28,800. Okay, so I'll just click on it, and so that you see that is real. Okay, so look at my message here, 28,800. So this is the exact money I just withdraw. Okay, let me just rush into the site and let's check. Yeah, so this is the exact money I placed withdrawal from, and it just dropped. So it took 3 hours or 4 to drop. Okay, and due to there was traffic, like massive people was withdrawing same time I withdrew. Okay, so that's why it was a bit longer. So that's to show you how effective the site is. The site actually pays. So I'm just going to show you the withdrawal is. As you can see here, my balance is now showing 0 naira. Okay, so that's how it is. So I'm just going to show you the payment. I'll just click on this payment icon here. Once I click on this payment icon, that's where you can see your payment history. Okay, so I'll just scroll up right now. You can see the money that was showing pending. Yeah, that's it. So I will just refresh the page. I think it should be showing completed, not pending again. So see showing pending. Alright guys, so that's how it is. In case you want to withdraw, look at how to withdraw. Just click on this payment icon here. Then you get to your this sales wallet. This is the one you get for your affiliate, and this is the one you get for your tax. Okay, if you want to withdraw the one for your tax, which I'm having 11,000 here, you can get the minimum withdrawal. Yeah, remember I think it's 20,000 or so before you are able to withdraw. Okay, so that's how it is. You withdraw straight to your wallet account. Then for you to withdraw, once you sign up for this site, I think I showed us in the previous video. Maybe I'll be dropping the link to the previous video. So just make sure you come to this set account, put in your withdrawal address, your bank account, so that once you want to withdraw, it will just reflect instantly. And look at my own withdrawal account here and make sure everything is correct, because I don't think there's a space for retyping it again. So just make sure your details is correct, and once you make payment, everything will just go there instantly, guys. So that's how this site works. This is how you can go ahead to withdraw your earnings from this site. Okay, you can withdraw from your affiliate balance, which is the sales, or you can withdraw from your tax, which is the daily tax you are doing. So what the previous video to see how to do the daily tax. Okay, so I'm just going to show us another feature this site has, because this site is more of features and you keep earning every day by day. So what you have to do right now is to click on this three dotted line here. So once you click on it, you see the features like this. So I want to show us how to link your TikTok down to your Phenom account. So by doing so, you'll be earning a lot of money. Okay, so you just come over here and click on social monetization down here. Okay, I just echoed it right now, and once you click on it, you will be able to link your TikTok. I've actually linked mine, okay? Actually linked mine, but I'm going to show you how to do yours. So once you come over here, I think all of us have TikTok. Let me just go back. Let me just go to my own TikTok account right now and show us how it is, okay? So I'm actually not a TikTok fan, but due to Phenom has taken me to Phenom have taken me to TikTok. So this is so once you come to your TikTok, you see this share profile, okay? Just go ahead to click on share profile. You click on copy. Once you click on this copy, it will copy automatically. Then come to your this is my TikTok. You can go ahead to follow me on my TikTok. So when you come to this your Phenom page, here will be empty, okay? This place will be empty because I've actually linked my, so just paste your own here. Once you paste your own, then you now click on update, then update social, then it will get updated instantly. Then for you to make money via your TikTok, make a video about Phenom and post it in your TikTok, copy the link and paste it here, okay? Paste the link here. Once you paste the link here, okay, once you paste the link here, okay, then you click here and select TikTok, yeah, or if it's Facebook that you make the post, you click on Facebook here. So once you do it, you selecting TikTok, you put the link of the post here, and then you click on this small box, I agree to terms and condition, or agree and I understand. Then you click on apply. So once you click on apply, you'll be credited after some review of your post, okay? So that's just another way you can earn from this site, all right? And then we can, so this site is actually in, and this is where you'll be seeing your balance for every task you've done, okay? Look at here, I'm having 11,000, and for you to do tax, I told you earlier in the previous video, click on this daily tax here. Once you click on this daily tax here, this box over here, it will enable you, you do your Phenom claim. After doing your Phenom claim, you do your reward rush. So that's the two tax you can be doing here. Then for the daily quiz, this quiz helps you to gain extra bonus just by answering simple question. I'll just click on this quiz now. You can see this quiz that said which color is on the Nigerian flag, okay? So we just have to select the correct answer, which is green. But the thing is about this quiz is that there's already a time frame for it. So when it's being posted, be quick to go answer the question, because when the time is exhausted, then the claim for that day is over, okay? So like now the claim is already over. I'll just click on green now, and I'll go up and click on submit quiz, and you see it will say yes, sorry, the quiz has been completed by another person. That means the total number of people required to do the quiz have been I've taken the quiz already. So that's why you'll be checking on your site every day for different questions, okay? So that's how it is. And once you get the question correct, which is very easy, there are also simple questions, this is just like a bonus, okay? The money will be credited to your balance to enable you withdraw, okay? So that's it, guys. If you think there's other thing I've mentioned in Phenom, you can drop it at the comment section. I'll make a video about it. I will explain it. Or you can also join my community, as I'll be dropping the link down in the description. And if you've not get started, guys, make sure you link me up. I'm going to add you, okay? So you've confirmed that the site is paying and it's legit and how effective it is. So guys, thank you so much for watching to this very end. Make sure you give a subscribe to this channel. And for promo, mention the times I said subscribe, okay? So if you got it correctly, you'll be going with 5,000 naira. All right, guys, thank you, and see you guys in my next video.